Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to, and Happy New Year to all of you. And today I have my Nail Shack package that is sent so kindly to me each month from Nail Shack to share with all of you. And I just slit the tape, or slit the package, and I'm just going to take everything out and I will give you a little bit of information on Nail Shack. Nail Shack, they do have a Facebook page. I do believe they have an Instagram if I'm not mistaken. I will have to double check on that, but they can be found on Cratejoy, and all that information is down in the description box below. This is for nail strips. I couldn't think of the word. I'm like, oh my gosh. Great way to start the new year, not being able to think of the proper wording. So you can find them on Cratejoy. The adult pack is $9.95 and the kid pack is $8.75. Your Nail Shack pack will include 4 full sets, 1 cuticle pusher, and 1 nail file. And the nail files are always so sparkly and cute, different designs. And they ship worldwide from the United States. Basically, no drying time, easy application, new designs each month. And I've received some truly cute nail strips. So this is what's inside the package each month. First, we'll start off with this paper, how to apply your Nail Shack nail polish strips. It's always included. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, they are on, and all that information, like I said, is down in the description box. But I love that they give you the, just a brief instructions if you're not sure. And let's see what this card is. Bring on the new year, wishing you the happiest of New Year. This is from Deanna, who sends this to me each month to share with all of you. That's always nice. What is this? Nail Shack Junior for kids, now available. Nail Shack Toes, now available for individual purchase in our Facebook shop on our Facebook page. Oh, if that was there last time, I didn't notice it. For best results, use nail polish strips at room temperature. The strips may harden or loosen in cold temperatures, and in hot temperatures can become too flexible. Okay, that's information that's all on the page. And this is how they come packaged in a cute little bag with their sticker each month. Pretty. It's almost a shame to ruin the bag, but you got to do what you got to do to get this stuff out. And I will show you what is in the bag. So you get a, this is, disposable, not anything that you would, you could keep it for as long as you need. It's a nail pusher, cuticle pusher, I'm sorry. So your one end is like that, and like this cute purple. And look at this cute little nail file. It's a star, reddish pink glitter, and on the other side is just, a black. And let me get a quick peek at, ooh, wow. Okay, so first design. I wish they had names, like the designs had names. So this is the first design. Nice. I'm going to save that one for last because that is cute. This is adorable too. This is all like, almost looks like a galaxy type style. Love that. This one is really cute. And this, you could really wear these any time of year. They would be really cute for Valentine's Day, anniversary, things like that. And then this set here, which I think is simply stunning. I think just the color choices right here. Look how adorable. So these are the 4 sets, the cuticle pusher and the nail file that I received for this month. The sweater does not want to stay closed. It's chilly here. You can still hear all the fireworks going off. It is New Year's Eve, like after dinner time-ish, maybe a few hours after dinner, that I figured I would get this recorded. I was not going to do a video today. I was going to just take the day off for New Year's Day and just not worry about filming a video and doing all the stuff that it entails. Just take a day off, which, I didn't do on Christmas. I was still answering comments and doing all that. But I figured, you know what, it's not really that big of a deal. I'm going to be home. My little dog is here, Oreo. She's so afraid of the fireworks. It's such a shame. My heart breaks for her anytime there's fireworks, but she'll be okay. They're almost done. But I've been saving up some sets. So let me, I know she's shaking. She's right here. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay, honey. I know you're shaking. So I have those, and I have the cute files and all that kind of stuff. Just trying to see how many sets I have here. I'm going to do a giveaway. So I think I saved a few of the bags, and I will use the current bag. So there are, let me see what's in this one. 1, 2, let me see. I didn't look at this ahead of time. I'm sorry. So sorry. I just grabbed out to see what I had. 1, 2. So there's 3 in this one. 2 in this one. Oops. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I will do, so now that's 3 sets. I will do, get this in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4 in each bag. Is that, would that make it like a, that would make it a full month. 1, 2, 3. And we'll give this one a 4. So this is 4. So this bag has the cuticle pusher, the nail file, and 4 sets. This bag the same way. I'm just trying to, and I will ship with, I have, you know, I saved the instruction pages and all that good stuff so that, and if I don't have an, I think I have enough of them. 1, 2. So we can do these 2 for 2 people to win. And then I'm just trying to see what else is in here. I think I have maybe another set that I can give away. I'm just trying to look at what this is, if I have. Okay, so I have, yes, I can do another, I have another bag with 4, the cuticle pusher and the nail file, so that's 3. So I can do 3, let me see what I have here. So 1, 2, I can use the current month. Oh, I'm sorry, my face is itchy so much. So I have 2 here, and maybe I'll give 2 sets away from here. Okay, so I can do, and I'll keep 2 for myself. So I have 4, so that's 1, and there were, did I say 2? So 4, we can do 4 winners. And I have these bags. If I know I currently have 3 of them, but I haven't, I think an old Ipsy bag like this to ship them out in, because these don't need to be, you know, protected in any, you know, in any way. That goes with this. Protected in any way. So we'll do a giveaway, and we'll get, like, you know, I always like to, and I had promised this back in, I don't know, November, December, that I was going to save some up and do a giveaway. And I have my little calendar book out. So, like, today is the 1st, obviously. So I'm not going to keep this open for 2 weeks. So this is going to end on January the 15th, and it's going to end not on a Sunday, because I have other giveaways ending on the Sundays. So I'm going to end this on December, I can't get that out of my head. January 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It'll end. And then I will, let me try to think. Mystery box winners are right after. Within a week, I'll post the winners. I might have to wait until the 24th to post the winners of that, unless I can squeeze it in another day. We'll have to see how that is, but it ends on January the 15th, the actual giveaway. So 4 people can win a set from Nail Shack, and see for yourself the pretty styles, the, you know, pretty nail files, and the cuticle pushers, and you'll receive it very similar, if not identical, to how I receive it, so that you can, you know, experience opening a bag, and hopefully all the backup for the post office will be done by then, and get these mailed, and, you know, get them, and you'll get them pretty quick. So the key word for this giveaway is going to be, what can it be? I have no clue. I have no clue. Help. I wish you could help me and tell me what a keyword could be. Let's do nail polish as the keyword. So I would make it 2 words, because technically it is 2 words, nail and polish. Don't, because I'll type it in the comment picker. So nail polish will be the keyword. And and enter. You have to be a subscriber. That is a requirement. Your channel has to be set to public so that I can verify that you are a subscriber. And all the rules will be down below. You know, just take a glance at them if you're not sure. Follow all the rules and enter. I mean, this is an easy giveaway for you to win. And, you know, some of these are very shareable if you have a younger daughter or friend, or, you know, sit, like I said before, sit with a friend, have a cup of coffee, tea, wine, iced tea, whatever your choice is, and spend, you know, a little bit of time together with someone you love or care about, whether it's your family member. You know, do these for your mom as a little treat, or maybe do them for somebody that, you know, can't afford to go get their nails done, and you can say, look, you know, come over, wear your mask. Or if it's somebody that you're comfortable with in your home, like, if, you know, if I had my sister come in my house, you know, obviously she's staying in her home, I'm staying in my home, I would be like, you don't have to wear your mask in my house. Come over, we can do these, just things like that, just for, you know, for a little bit of bonding time and a little bit of special time. So I appreciate all you watching today, and let's get this new year started, and let's all hope that it is a great year. I know I'm hoping for a great year. I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.